Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. This is me and my husband Stephen. Woo! So looking back behind us, you can see Auckland City. Hey? So we're walking down to the caves right now. We're doing Rangitoto with the kids. And they've just come over from Australia, one from Perth. And the son and wife and baby Luta are from Sydney. So here we are, we're enjoying ourselves, building memories and just embracing the moment, and we're just loving it. So we have just come from the south of this North Island and just visiting with families and friends. No, more actually, just family. So Masterton, Eketahuna, Porirua and Wellington. So those are the places. I think it was a short trip. It could have been a bit longer, just so we could have really gone to see more people. But for now, we'll say that we did well. So we come up through Taranaki. That was the last stop, and that was yesterday. And today we had to get up early, catch a train into town, Britomart, and catch the ferry over to Rangitoto Island. So we're really nearly at the top, but we're just going down now to see the caves. I think if you're ever near Auckland, don't forget, just come and have a
catch a ferry to
Rangitoto. Come on. Yes.
Well, I'm so privileged. Oh my God, I got this thing called Gold Card. Gold Cards is offered to pensioners here in New Zealand, and that Gold Card allows us to travel throughout public New Zealand for free, and I'm so grateful. Thank God for Gold Card, and I'm enjoying that process also. More importantly, we're taking time to be with the children who came all the way from Sydney, Australia, and Perth, and of course bringing baby Luta, who's already going on 5 months. 5 months?
Yes, going on 5.
5 months, and she is thoroughly enjoying the moment. At this point of time, we're well ahead of them because Mum, Michelle, had to stop and feed baby, and we're waiting on that. But however, taking a moment to capture today. You got a smartphone and start using. Capture the moment today. Whether it be a video form like this one or still picture, use it. It's one of the most momentous occasion you'll be capturing for the future to come. We can leave this behind when we leave this earth, but these memories will never be repeated. So take the time. Take the time.
Just get out. I mean, we thought we weren't going to make it out today because of the weather, but look how amazing the weather has turned out for us.
Thank God for that. We certainly prayed for it and said, Lord, please open up the weather for us to allow us to finish off our Rangitoto trip.
Just for that gap, for us to go down.
No, go up.
I'll go up. We haven't quite made it up to the summit yet, but we're nearly there. So we had to take a right turn into the caves. We're nearly there to the caves. We're kind of hanging out waiting for them to come. But hey.
And Rangitoto means in Māori, and of course in our own language, blood from the sky.
Raining blood. And
there's 2 islands together in this particular volcanic island. One is called Rangitoto, one is called Motutapu. Motutapu means holy nation, for example. So we are in that holy ground. So come and enjoy. When you're in Auckland, do not forget to hop on a ferry downtown Auckland, catch a ferry to Rangitoto, Motutapu or Waiheke Island, and enjoy some of the beautiful islands that we have the privilege to enjoy here in Auckland City.
Okay, thank you again guys. Catch you again on my next video. Bye for now.